get rich so y'all can tell me that I'm selfish, but I got it by myself. Can't nobody say they help.
Back again with another video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, all that. And today I actually got a little surprise, man, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Y'all boys see what's going on, man. Made a little investment in myself, got me some, you feel? Not bullshit. Motherfucker kinda tough. I ain't even finna read all this shit. I'm not in my room right now, so y'all boys chill. But I'm finna see. I'm finna open this junk and see what it's looking like. I ain't trying to open it all crazy. Cause what if I gotta take it back? Right there. Top open. And they gave me a whole bag. Okay. It feels like it's already set up. I ain't gonna lie. If this finna go crazy, and we finna have hella mukbangs. Like, I'm careful. Lift this up. It's like, no, let me stop playing. See about it. This for your phone right here. Triple OG, double OG. Got the camera right here. I'm finna set this bitch up. Hold on. Put this bitch right here. I'm trying to like let y'all see this shit. Oh, make it done there. My bitch was okay. Oh! Hey! Oh yeah! White boy on the court. White boy on the court. Okay. Y'all better stop playing with this. Oh shit! Come on, man. You can't be shooting like that on cam. Yes, you can, man. Stop talking about you can't. Oh, I'm on food, bro. Ugly.
Give me a 0.5.
I don't have 0.5.
I'm not looking here.
Don't record me then.
No, Mom. That's not. Mom, we're not talking about that.
What do you talking about? What she mean? Oh, she said.
I'm all for 0.5.
No, we talking about the kid. I don't got it on my phone.
Yeah. Man, stop playing. Slime, you feel? Tell me your Instagram, man.
Yeah, I got a new phone now.
Okay, yeah.
I got a new account.
Alright, Betty. You gotta follow me on that, man.
I did. You ain't follow me back. Look.
Nigga, I'm finna see. You ain't finna put up no buckets. I don't even know why you out here, cuz. Dunk it right now, nigga. Try it.
Yeah, I've been in the gym with it, boy.
Nigga, I see you used to be fat, goddamn. No. Hey. This is going crazy. Putting in that work. No safety. And we outside. Get your boy in this bitch.
You already know the
mama. Okay. Tell him stop playing.
All about my guappuccino.
We need a thumbnail. Come on.
Bitch. Hold on, hold on. So tall ass.
Stand fucking still, ho.
Man, you know when you yawn, you got ghost nuts coming in your mouth? No? Okay, my bad. Yep.
This is going on the other vlog. I'm gonna drop 2 vlogs today.
You smell like a dirty ass cocoa milk, bitch.
Y'all see this motherfucker. OG workers in this bitch. Nigga. What are you talking about?
What a freak said, hey, I just saw a bitch outside. Oh my mama, did you
what
see
she
me?
Look like,
did you see me?
Nigga,
did you see me?
Good.
Bro, she's brown skin, bro.
She's brown skin.
Z and them.
Wait, hold on. No. I think I know who you're talking about because I was smiling at the bitch.
Bro, Z and John Tane, they was like, bro, bad bitch outside, brown skin. She was in her car. Bro,
did you
they gave me barbecue lit.
You pulled her, folks.
I just said some slight shit. So when she come back, she don't know who it is.
Right.
Next time I'm really gonna hit her. You know what I mean? You gotta make sure. You know what I'm saying? Look, I came out there.
you know, smiling a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Give her barbecues, hella barbecue. My niggas really set me up because they gave me too much barbecue.
Right.
They really set me up for good shit.
Okay.
It was good though. Niggas be like, oh, don't really, no, nigga, that was good because she was like, she was like, you gave me all these barbecues, so you should have gave me that for the fries or something. You got me this 4-piece with all these stuff. I was like, I'm sorry. I was like, that's what they gave me.
She was trying to make conversation.
And then I was like, my bad. Here you go. I was like, have a good day. She's like, you too. I was like, you look good by the way too. She's like, thank you. I was like, oh shit. Look, she gonna come back. She
got a friend?
Nigga, on my mama, I'm finna, next time she slide back.
Nigga, if she got a friend, put me on, cuz.
It's over, bro.
It's
over.
And we leave.
Hey, I got friends. Nigga, I got females who got, you got stud friend. Hell yeah. Nigga.
Real nigga.
You gotta be on some hoes tonight, bro.
Nigga,
you gotta get you some cooch tonight, nigga. It's, my crib is like,
free,
nigga.
Available. So, yeah, nigga, who should I bring?
765, I'll blow you back in 5, nigga, on my mama.
I'm not bringing that one bitch. Fuck her.
One bitch across the street, we can't bring her.
Hell no.
She start being messy in the crib. She'll start breaking shit.
Oh, mama.
She give off that energy that she get mad, she'll start breaking shit in my shit. Down.
Let her come in there and start breaking shit. I'm gonna break her fucking neck, nigga.
I'm gonna throw her ass in that Wendy's dumpster, nigga. I'm gonna grab her, run to Wendy's, nigga, throw her in the dumpster, nigga, suplex.
No, put her in the grease.
My mama.
I'm myself. Fuck, get burnt up.
Extra burnt.
I'm myself. What you talking about, nigga? Yeah. We ain't finna play. She already know how niggas get down. But my mama, nigga.
That sounds funny. Get my shit off.
My chain. I need a chain on my mama. When I get a chain, I'm on. Air bitch Sam. Bro, chill.
You know my shit straight.
Damn.
I just want my shit.
Man, hell no.
That bitch wanna face it. I just beat the pussy up and I just nut it in her braces. Damn.
Bro, Jamal.
I love brace face.
Go back there, flip them fucking burgers and fries.
Nigga, I'm cool. Nigga, no bad doing it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we really chilling in this bitch. On my mama.
We got hella workers today. That's why I fuck with it.
And everything running smooth. So you know we good. This extra content, nigga. No video finna go up tonight.
Hey, why would my little Puerto Rican look on my dog trail? BK, she knows who she is. BK said you was on her For You page on YouTube. She's like, I thought I seen her before. And I was like, yeah, it's my nigga Honcho. I was like, yeah, you seen her before.
Honcho, nigga.
Big Honcho.
They already know, man. So we need to stop playing with me, cuz.
Honcho, that nigga.
Go back there and vlog Z. Go vlog his
with the camera.
Yeah, with that. Is it good? Look at this nigga. He got a goddamn 8-piece fry and it look fresh. Who the fuck is this? Oh my gosh. You finna give him some? Folks really finna give him some. More for you. Oh God. Y'all see what's going on, man. Editing and getting the vids right. Meanwhile, this nigga over here eating. Get your ass back there and cook. We got hungry customers. You ain't got no sauce, no drink, no beverage.